Today in the Feline Hungry Kitchen, I'm making chicken chipotle. This is perfect for chicken chipotle bowls. It's low calorie, it's healthy, super easy to make, and it's a great way to have chicken breast without it being dry and gross the next day. I'm going to show you how to make it 4 different ways, including the burger version and a crowd favorite, which are the chipotle chicken tacos. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the 3 ingredients that we're going to be using: your chicken breast or chicken tenderloins, your chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. You can find this at Target or anywhere, even Sprouts, and 1 onion. These 3 simple ingredients will make this meal. You're going to first start with your onion. You're going to do a half moon dice, not too thin. You want it a little bit on the thicker side. I'm going to be poaching my chicken. Choose whatever method that you prefer. You can either bake it or put it on a saute pan. We're going to end up shredding it, so I just prefer this method. And I'm just using my cute little black cat tongs to get this going. Of course, Valentina is making sure that I'm doing everything satisfactory. When I make chicken, everyone comes to the kitchen. I'm going to start with my avocado oil. Going to start caramelizing these onions. Getting my can ready to go for when the onions are nice and caramelized. While I'm sauteing the onions, I have the chicken still cooking, but I don't have to worry because Valentina's keeping a very close eye on it. Normally when I cook chicken breast, before I put any seasoning on it, I give the kitties a little bit each. They really love it. And of course, with no seasoning, we don't want to give the cats anything toxic. Adding salt and pepper. Chicken's almost done, but not quite done yet. I'm sorry, Valentina. Now that the onions are nice and caramelized, I'm going to add the chipotle peppers. Once this is cooked, I will be adding a little bit of water to it, just to make it a little bit more saucy. So the sauce part is all ready to go. Everything has been cooked and all the flavors have combined. It smells so good. I checked on the chicken. The chicken is already good to go. I did drain it and I also shredded it. I used 2 forks to shred it, but you can use a hand blender if that's easier for you as well. As promised, I went ahead and gave some cooled chicken breast to the kitties. If you love good food and love cats, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really helps out my small channel. So now the fun part, we're going to combine everything together. So our sauce, we're going to mix it with our chicken breast that's been shredded. Here's where you can add a little bit of water just to make it more saucy. Now that this is all well combined, I'm going to place it in my meal prep container. So it's really versatile. You can take this protein source out for multiple things, and I'll show you 4 different ways next of how you can use this protein. So there you have it, chicken chipotle, the universal, flavorful chicken breast that's healthy and so delicious. Let me go ahead and show you the 4 different ways that you can use it. The first way you can use it is making chicken chipotle tacos. These are amazing with fresh avocado or guacamole on top. I just was out. The next one is a sandwich. It's any kind of bun. It's great. You can add some cheese, sour cream, anything you like. I just used soft dinner rolls. That's what I had in hand. The next one is just on a bed of lettuce. It's a great low carb option. It's really good just on top of any salad for a good protein source. And the fourth option is just on a bed of rice, kind of like a chicken chipotle bowl. I had some rice that I already made, so I'm just going to use that. I'm also putting it on a plate, but you would put it in a bowl to make it a chicken chipotle bowl. You can add beans and rice to it, and it's amazing. Also, don't forget the avocado or guacamole. Here are the chicken tacos, and I'm adding some cilantro. I love cilantro. Do you guys like cilantro? I know it's controversial. Some people love it, some people hate it. I totally love it. And I use scissors to cut all my herbs. It makes it super easy, even for parsley or dill or chives, anything like that. I'm adding a little bit of sour cream on the side here. And again, if I had fresh avocado, I would put it on top. It's amazing. The combination just is perfect. So I have the tacos, the chicken sandwich, the chicken chipotle bowl but on a plate, and then I did not show just the bed of lettuce with the chicken on top. So that's 4 different ways that you can use this healthy protein, and it tastes good for at least 5 days. It doesn't dry out or anything. I really hope you give this recipe a try. I know that you'll like it. It's such a simple recipe with so much flavor. As always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. And remember, unconditional love is waiting for you at your local animal shelter or rescue. You can simply Google your city and cat rescue or animal shelter to find your partner in crime, someone that will always be there for you.